beautiful, isn't it? Life. Flowers blooming, the wind blowing, just everything beautiful. I mean, it's not every day you get to see lovely things as this around the world. I mean, you barely see it at all anymore. I'm here to talk about a deadly disease on our planet. Even as we speak, it's spreading. The disease called pollution. I mean, you might think that this is just one of your other typical recycling videos, and it might be, but I'm here to explain to you that pollution not only affects adults, but young kids, teenagers as well. I mean, there are companies, nuclear waste plants, dumping their waste into the rivers, and it's hurting our plants, killing them. And there are also scientists, people who, in the name of research, experiment dumping waste, toxins into our beautiful plant life. I mean, the trees, the branches dying, leaves dying, and it's such a beautiful tree, plant. I'm trying to explain to you that if you don't help our planet and start recycling, something like this could happen. That could really happen. Enjoy your tea.
Thank you. Enjoy nature and leave no trace.
Don't forget to recycle. Look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? A beautiful flower, nature. You know, there are many things you can do in this world to help better our plant life and our forests. First and foremost, recycle. No one likes to leave plastic bottles lying around the ground. Secondly, and probably the most important, don't litter. It's a filthy habit. No one wants to do it. And if you do, this is what could happen to your plant life if you take care of this world. Nice, isn't it? Now, if you want to get out there and enjoy nature more and learn more about this beautiful planet and how to save it, check out your local Balcones Council or Campfire Council area and look up www.campfireusa.org. You won't regret it. Now, I've had a lot of fun chatting with you, and thank you for your time. And remember, you can help this world be a better place. Here you are.